for sale, 1969 Corvette. I'm going to walk around it, tell you about the car, fire it up, and drive it. If you do enjoy the video, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you. Like I said, 69 Corvette. It's been totally restored and is now finished in this custom, it's like a play on Ontario orange. You see it there, just a little more burnt and a little bit of pearl in it. The bumpers are painted to match front and rear, as well as, like, you know, the trim. It now has a fresh 454 motor in it. It was an original 427 car from the factory. M21 4-speed trans and 4-wheel power disc brakes. It is a convertible. I always, you know, walk around and tell you what I know about it. We'll point out any flaws that I see, and we'll start in the front. See a little mark right there on the nose, and the hood doors, headlight doors fit nicely. You see just like a little bit of buffing compound on it. I just saw a little mark right there, and I know there's a little one right there. Pretty much everything on the car has been restored or is new. I see a little, sometimes you can't avoid it with the fiberglass, just a little crack right there. The doors fit nicely in the front, and I know they fit nicely in the back. That body molding down there is nice. I see a couple little marks right there. Pop the hood here. I know the windshield's new. There's your 454. I guess you want to say dressed up as a 427, but it's just a sticker. Aluminum intake. You see how nice the control arms are, and aluminum radiator, brake booster for your 4-wheel disc brakes. Nice control arm. Just a little bit of like roughness on the edge of certain parts where that trim is on the hardtop, but as you see there, the rest of the hardtop is in very nice condition. And I see, probably just from putting it on and off, a couple little marks on it. The original trim tag is in place there, and it's finished in, well, it was originally Fathom Green. I see a little crack on the door panel, which, funny enough, I have a Fathom Green 69 that I'm working on. Brand new seat covers, new steering wheel, new carpet, nice Corvette carpet mats that I thought I'd keep. You got a higher RPM tack on it. The dash pad's new. You can see the clock spinning, actually, as we're sitting here. And I know I got a little bit of touch-up paint for the color. .390 horse, 427. And I know the horn works. We'll keep going. Where the convertible top would fold out of, there's nice fitment. Sure I'm in focus. A little something right there. a little scuff right there. Again, nice body molding down there. I know that the driver and passenger window are original, so if you see, I don't know if you can see it. Oh, you probably can't even see it. Just the littlest faint marking on it from, you know, going up and down over the years. There is no radio in it. They didn't want to cut up for an aftermarket one. Will be up for sale later today on my website, nextgenclassiccars.com and eBay. Both links will be in the description of this video. If you want to check it out, let us know. 69 Corvette. A little bit of a custom build, which has been almost pretty much fully restored. A factory 427 car, now with a 454 in it. M21 4-speed and 4-wheel power disc brakes. Convertible with hardtop. And I know, I just saw it and I lost it. There's a little paint crack right there. Again, fiberglass thing, you can't avoid it sometimes. So we will fire it up and then we'll drive it just in a second, and then I'll probably get in for the driving. So here we go. Thank you.